Hey, you welders or fabricators, my name is Dave Spinacci. I want to give you a little walk around in my mobile welding truck. As you can see, it's a 2004, it's a 550, got 4-wheel drive, got the 6-liter diesel, runs pretty good. Step back here a little bit, got the big blue 400D, it's got a few hours on it, about 5,800 hours, gets good fuel economy. Got a 25-gallon fuel tank. It'll run around 50 hours. Over here, kind of coming a little closer, got a nice set of hand-A reels from a welding cable. It's got about 50 feet of cable on that. And over here we've got the cutting hoses, oxygen and chemtane. It's kind of like propane. And then the last hose reel is for the air compressor. It's 50 feet. These are all hand-A, not cheap. Bought them about 10 years ago, maybe 1,600 bucks, almost $2,000, but they're well worth it. Just need a little paint for right now. Step back a little bit. It's a custom welding bed I had made when I bought the truck. Couldn't make it myself, didn't have all those tools. And you can see there's a V cut into the back, piece of angle iron sitting in there. That's for welding pipe or holding whatever. Pipeliners know about that. I'm not a pipeliner though. Got the outriggers. And right in that little door, I'll open that up. That little cutting tray goes in those two tubes you see. Nice cutting table. There you can get a good view of the other side of the truck. Got a 3,200 pound crane, goes about 15 feet high. That saves my back. And that's an electric over hydraulic crane. Runs off the batteries. And then here we got your basic T30 Ingersoll Rand air compressor with a Honda motor. That runs pretty good. Got about 500 hours on it. Right up here is the rod box. Nothing special, just rod box. Welding rods in there. Oxygen, acetylene, or propane, whatever you want to call it. Got oxygen bottle, the chemtane, that's the white one. Got a bottle of argon. Do a little bit of aluminum MIG welding and TIG welding for stainless. That's the name of my shop. It's in Northport, Florida. Thank you very much. Take care. Be safe.